Okay, this is review, but we're going to go over it again. Make sure we understand it. I'm going to draw a little right triangle in here. Does it make sense why I'm labeling those sides X and Y specifically? Yeah, X is your horizontal piece and Y is your vertical piece.
Would I be benefited from doing some different colors, or can it all be the same color?
They can all be the same color. And then the hypotenuse I'm going to call R. Why am I calling it R? Well, that doesn't really lead us to R.
Radius. My bad.
All right, now review of SOHCAHTOA from geometry.
I thought we were doing tangent BCF. That's what we talked about last class.
Yeah, no, that's not happening. There's my theta in my triangle. If I ask you for the sine of theta, the sine of that angle, what would you tell me based on my triangle? Opposite over hypotenuse, so in this case, y over r. Are we okay with that? Okay, so what would cosine of theta be?
X over R.
Good job.
Oh, we learned this in the video.
You did. We're reviewing to make sure you got it.
I didn't understand.
Do you understand it now? Okay, we're struggling with adjacent and opposite.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. What is the sin cosine?
Sine, cosine, tangent. Do you remember SOHCAHTOA from geometry? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So guys, tangent, what is that going to be in my triangle? X over Y or Y over X? Which one? Y over X. Opposite over adjacent. Okay, those you should know from geometry. You've learned since then what cosecant, secant, and cotangent are. So let's go over those again just to make sure we've got them. Cosecant is always related to sine. It's just the reciprocal of sine. So what would it be here? Yep, R over Y. Secant is always related to cosine. What will it be? R over X. Cotangent's the easiest to remember. It's related to tangent. It will be X over Y. Okay, so those 6 you need to know. They should hopefully make sense. Just remember, cos will never go together. Okay, I'm telling you, cos will never go together. You work on renaming things in math for me. Word.
Is there a movie about this?
Not that I'm aware of.
You should make a movie about that.
You only have like 2 subscribers. You gotta get your subscriber count.
Yeah, I don't really pay attention to that part. I just post it to make sure
I
it's there.
like the video.
You should monetize videos.
I should.
Yeah, she has like 4 likes now.
Become a Khan Academy. Yesterday I subscribed.
All right, thanks, guys.
I didn't sign in, so I couldn't subscribe. But I gave you a like.
I'm surprised it ain't like
I did write because I was about to notify her when I watched the video, so I was like, I'm gonna triple notify her.
Oh my goodness. Well, thanks for that.
Anytime.
I'm glad you're watching.
You'd be most shocked by the fact.
That's the exciting part. All right, guys. Specific to the unit circle, how long is the radius in the unit circle? 1. So since sine is y over r, could we just call it y when we're in the unit circle? Right? Because your radius is 1. Y divided by 1 is just y. Yes? You with me? Okay. So in the unit circle, what is cosine going to equal? Just x. Yes. So those 2. Again, that's only for the unit circle. All right, so let's use this now. Let's evaluate. And I'll walk you through this first one, okay? Sine of 3 pi over 2. Okay, the way you do this, we just said in the unit circle, sine of theta is equal to y. So we are looking for the y value at whatever angle we're talking about. So in this case, at 3 pi over 2. So you can have a unit circle out while we're doing this. Find 3 pi over 2. And what is the y value at that point? -1 it is. And that's it.
Can we use this on the quiz?
No. Use it, you mean like on the test?
Yeah.
That is.
Well, that is the quiz, yeah. That's part of it. But no, that's why you have to know it, because you won't be able to use it. You can draw a whole new one if you want on the day of your assessment, but you can't use that one.
If I asked you for a blank one, if I have a blank one.
It's because your circle drawing is
Yeah.
a little bit of a struggle.
Like
Yeah.
a potato. We erased it. I don't know if you can tell, but it was that was it went like that. It was just a diagonal egg.
Little eggish. All right, you guys try this one. Cosine of 5 pi over 4. And you don't have to write out like y value at 3 pi over 2. That's just me telling you what you're doing here. Yep, so this one we're talking about the x value. The x and the y, or the unit circle. That's why I keep telling you, you have to know it so well. Like, you should just close your eyes and you should see the whole circle. Like, it should become that. We're going to do a ton of practice with these values, and every time you're doing that, you become more and more familiar with it. That's why if you don't learn it, this is so fun. Yeah, and will you open one window?
What?
You open a window.
Roger. Use
The voice tracks.
Yeah. Yep.
So first,
Now we're gonna
like, watch the video so you understand like why they are what they are, because then it's not just straight memorization.
Yeah.
But then just do it like 2 or 3 times, and you'll be surprised with how quickly you learn it.
Okay, Anna and I are gonna. The rest of you are.
All right, guys. What did you get for cosine of 5 pi over 4? Yes, -√2 over 2. So when it's sine and cosine, it's pretty straightforward and easy. You just look for the x value or the y value. Be careful. Make sure you're using the right sign, because if you said +√2 over 2, that's just wrong. Okay, so make sure you're careful. It's just wrong. All right, let's try another sine one. Let me give you a couple here. Sine of 5 pi over 6. And let's do cosine of 11 pi over 6. I'm going to try those two. Once you're done, check in with your neighbor. Do you guys agree?
I got it. You're right.
For number 3.
4.
Wait, 4.
For number 3, yeah.
Yeah, I'm sneaky. Put 2 of them up there. Okay. Heated discussion over there. How was your Friendsgiving the other day after school?
Did it when somebody else brought potato casserole, whatever, whatever it is?
Sweet potato casserole.
Yeah, everyone loves a little bit better.
Wait.
I had like 20 seconds to get around one, so I finished it.
All right, guys, let's look. What'd you get for number 3? 1/2. Yes. All right, number 4. What'd you get? Yes, root 3 over 2. No, sine and cosine, pretty easy, right? Let's try tangent. And cosecant and secant and cotangent.
No.
We'll do 9 questions, okay?
All the way down to the bottom.
All right, let's go through this one together. Guys, up here. Roger.
I'm sorry.
Focus.
Talking about grandfather Rogers.
Okay.
Grandfather.
That's his name.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Aren't you the third Roger?
I remember watching this.
Are you Roger the third?
Yeah.
I know.
And he's Roger the
It's going to be an interesting video that I have to post today.
I hope not. I hope we help you.
Well, the video we watched was from like 4 years ago, so.
Exactly. Yeah, it was.
2 years ago?
Posted 3 years ago.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It sounded so much more like of a dead class in the video, I'm not gonna lie.
It's probably the morning class that I recorded that was super quiet. Not today. All right, tangent, guys. That's going to be y over x. So you have to use both parts of the ordered pair. So if I go to 3 pi over 4, what is the y value? Okay, what is the x value? Okay, without doing a bunch of complicated simplifying, can you tell me what that's going to simplify to? No? -1, right? Isn't it just the number divided by itself? Okay.
That looks like a very illegal fraction, but that makes a lot.
Looks like a lot. Now, remember, guys, when you have a fraction over a fraction, how do you actually solve that? Yeah, leave the first one alone, flip the second one, multiply. Okay, you will have to do that on some. We didn't really need to here. All right, you guys try the next one. Tangent of 2 pi over 3.
Because I said, what do you think?
Wow. Well, it makes sense. I understand how you got it.
All right, guys, what'd you get for tangent of 2 pi over 3? Guys, what'd you get for tangent of -√3? Yes, -√3. Okay, let's go through it then. I need the y value over the x value. So at 2 pi over 3, the y value is √3 over 2. The x value is -1/2. Yes? Okay. So leave the first fraction alone, flip the second one, and multiply.
Oh, I did the other way around.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Oh, nope. Okay, you found the cotangent. Did you get like negative root 3 over 3?
Yeah.
I got like negative.
Reading special.
Reading specials at no.
I don't know what you did, you. All right, let's try again. Okay, let's try a cosecant question. I'll do this one with you guys. Write it down. Ready, go.
Depends on the circumstances.
Okay, what is cosecant related to? Sine. With cosecant and secant, find the sine or the cosine first. So sine of 7 pi over 6, what is that equal to? Close. Negative 1/2. It's third quadrant, so it's going to be negative. To find the cosecant, then, all I have to do is flip my answer for sine. Okay? It's negative 2. Now, if it's got some radicals in it, you'll have to rationalize at the end, but if not, then there you go. That's all you got to do. So again, for cosecant and secant, find the sine or cosine first. Cotangent, just do x over y. Okay, don't find the tangent and then it's just messier. Okay. All right, try this one.
Did you find your pass? Or is that like...
Yes, I did get it returned.
See, you should steal it. You put your name on it.
Yeah, negative pi over 4. Where is that? How do, yeah, you're like, that is not on my circle. I can't do it. What do negative angles mean?
The other way around.
The other way around. So what angle on your circle is the same as negative pi over 4? No. Oh, in radians. Why are you saying degrees? Yes, but why? No, that's where pi over 4 is. Yes, 7 pi over 4.
Why don't you slide pi over 4?
Because you have to go the other way.
Pi over 4 is here, right? If I say negative pi over 4, I go that same distance in the opposite direction. Like this is negative pi over 2. This is negative pi. Because I did it. You have to be comfortable with the negative angles. Negative 7 pi over 6, okay? Well, you can, appreciate whatever grade comes with not being comfortable with any of the trig stuff.
Oh my god.
Just saying.
Oh, there it is.
There we go. Secant of negative pi over 4. Give it a try. I like it. You're confident in your answer.
Not really.
Oh, okay.
A little bit. I think I'm ready.
All right.
Do you have to rationalize it?
Yep. Did I just get booed? What is happening here? So many 2s. You end up with just root 2. Okay.
My mom could probably do swinging.
Do we?
My father.
He's like, I will shut this class down right now.
My father.
Oh my
So
god.
rebellious too.
Literally anything.
Wait, what? I'm not mentally here right now.
All right, one more, guys. We've made it to number 9. Cotangent. This is it for the notes. I told you. Quick. But yet, did you do these?
I'm like 1/3. do it.
You're the man. Alright.
I see
What a
you did
day,
there.
guys.
I see what you did.
Not seen earlier.
What?
Earlier, people were not understanding what was happening here. So
Ava's not.
I will go over it. Yes, I'll give you a minute.
Zero on the bottom.
Zero.
Oh, I think so.
All right, guys. Cotangent, you got to do x over y. At pi, what is the x value? Okay, what's the y value?
0.
Can I divide by 0? No, it's not no solution. It is undefined. It is not 0.
I see what you did there.
Okay.
Can we just write error next to it like the calculator does?
No, do not write error. When we get to graphing all the trig functions, where they're undefined is where the graph has asymptotes. So that's why we have to write undefined.
She's not.
What are you gonna get?
She's not getting me anything from it.
Why would I get you something for
I
Christmas?
want something from her. Please don't
Okay,
rock
then.
it.
All right, guys. Anybody questions on the notes? Did miss undefined. All right, guys.
Nice.
Quizzes time.